Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I will show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. Now to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up together. So let's do it right now. You will see the Samsung Galaxy logo right here, and it will disappear after a couple of seconds, at which point you also want to let go of the two keys. This will take you to the recovery mode. So in here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down, so basically press volume down once and then confirm reboot to bootloader selection by pressing the power key. Give it a second and it will enter Fastboot mode. And there we go. Now it says entering Fastboot mode, but that is basically as far as it goes. It will just stay right here. So that is how you boot it into Fastboot mode, and to leave this mode you will need to hold power key and volume down together, and you will hold them till the phone turns off. You will see once it turns off because the writing will disappear. Now we do hold it for like 10 seconds, there we go. At which point once it disappears you can let go and then simply hold power key to turn the device back on. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.